One last thing before talking about variables. In the previous video, we wrote hello world, then we made it show up. A reminder to display hello world. You have to click on the green arrow and then run hello.main. And then the text will show up. Now I have a challenge for you. The challenge involves modifying this program so that instead of hello world, the program will display hello and your name next to it. So put the video on pause and complete this challenge. Then we will see the solution together. I hope you managed to modify it. In order to do this, we will simply remove world and replace it with team, for example. And then I click on run. Here we go, it displays the right thing. This was all for the challenge. As you can see, it wasn't really hard. Congratulations if you completed it.